In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split expenses in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know how to take a single expense and allocate it across multiple accounts, so your reports show exactly where every dollar went. Start by signing into your Zoho Books organization and heading to the left sidebar. Open the Purchases section, then choose Expenses. This is where all your recorded expenses live. If you have a long list, use the search bar or filters to quickly find the expense you want to split. Click the expense to open its details. Next, open the record for editing. You'll see the familiar expense form. To break this expense into multiple allocations, look for the Itemize option in the form and select it. Itemizing tells Zoho Books you're going to enter more than one line for this expense instead of just a single account and amount. Now, add your first allocation by choosing Add New Row. On this row, pick the correct expense account from the account dropdown. For example, you might choose office supplies, utilities, or meals and entertainment, whatever matches your chart of accounts. Take a moment to ensure you're using the account you want to see in your reports later, and add a brief description if it helps future you or your team understand the split. Enter the amount that belongs to this account. Keep an eye on the total at the bottom of the form. The sum of all your itemized rows must equal the original expense total. If your organization uses taxes on expenses, make sure the correct tax, if any, is applied per line. Consistency here will keep your reporting and returns accurate. To continue splitting, click Add New Row again. Select the next appropriate account and enter the next portion of the amount. Repeat this process for as many lines as you need until the full total is allocated. If you're tracking customers, projects, or departments on expenses, choose those on each row where applicable, so costs roll up correctly to the right places. Before saving, double check the math. Confirm the line amounts add up exactly to the original expense, confirm the accounts are correct, and ensure any tax selections are accurate. Clear notes in the description fields can help anyone reviewing the expense later understand why it was split. When everything looks right, click Save. You'll be returned to the expense view, now showing a clear breakdown across the accounts you selected. That's all it takes to split an expense in Zoho Books while keeping your books clean, transparent, and ready for reporting.